Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to view the net income of a stock or a company on Google Finance. This is an essential metric for investors and anyone interested in understanding a company's financial performance. Once you open Google Finance, start by selecting a stock or company of your choice. For this demonstration, we'll use Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. Click on the stock to open its detailed view. Scroll down to the Financials section where you'll see three main options: Income Statement, Balance Sheet, and Cash Flow. Make sure the Income Statement is selected. You can choose to view the data on a quarterly or annual basis depending on what information you need. Now scroll down until you find Net Income. Net income represents the company's earnings after accounting for operating costs, taxes, and interest. For Apple, you can see the net income listed along with its percentage change over the selected period. This gives you a clear view of how profitable the company has been, helping you make more informed investment decisions. This method is very straightforward and works for any company listed on Google Finance. By keeping track of net income, you can monitor growth trends, compare companies within the same sector, and get insights into overall financial health. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this. Happy investing, and I'll see you in the next video.